Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ni tano. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ni tano. Now, before tuendelee, nitakwambia I'll show you where all this came from and I'm going to explain step by step. So make sure you follow my YouTube channel. My name is Honest Digits and this is an exclusive video, okay? This is an exclusive video. When you check my YouTube channel, I have like 100 plus videos. All these videos about how to make this online and how to make money online. I use this because I'm trying to simplify, making sure that you get the right information. And after I've done a lot of research, this is what I've come up with. And these are the things I do to get this. Okay, now it's very, very simple. What you need you to do there, I'm repeating this over and over and over again on my YouTube channel videos, and I explain this for free of charge. You don't have to pay anything. You don't have to subscribe anything. There are platforms online which are going to expand your mind, which are going to help you to just receive some little coins when it comes to online opportunities. Okay, now these are websites. There are thousands and thousands of websites here which you can work. I'm not talking about surveys. I'm not talking about these other things at all. I'm talking about real skills which you are available now. And these skills, they don't need you to have like papers, to have to do what, and they are very, very free of charge. You don't have to know all the things, but using your things that you are. Then we have applications. These applications are very, very easy to download on your phone. That is it. So you need to have your smartphone, you need to have the internet. Nowadays the internet is very, very cheap. Okay, it's very cheap. At 100 shillings you can get a lot of bundles, like 1 GB, which you can use to do that. Okay, at your free time. I'm not talking about the time maybe this is just a side hustle. Okay, I'm not talking about that time when you have your job. Take for example from let's say from 8 to 5. No, you can continue with your daily job, but this one you have to make sure that you do it because it's something that's going to bring you something at the end of the day. So at the end of this video, I'm going to show you an opportunity at the end of this video. If you are between the age of 18, of course, that's the maturity age, 18 and below 30, and you're single, this video is for you. Okay, so I want you to give this opportunity. I call myself a mobile journalism because whatever I do is just using my phone. I'm not using any laptop here. I'm not using anything. I just have my own thing. So there is opportunities out here. Let me show you where we started from. Now this has been my tool ever when I started out using this YouTube channel. We are growing, and right now I can say I have received something in my pocket using my YouTube channel. Okay, I'm telling you, there are thousands of opportunities when you are someone who can speak in front of the camera. Okay, now I'm just going to just an overview so that you get that picture of why you are lying with gold in your hands. If you are someone who can speak, someone who is able to understand what I'm going to say step by step. Okay, now this is what's going to happen. There are opportunities online, and make sure you use the Google very, very well. I want to speak up to people who understand what I'm talking about. Okay, and if you don't understand, pay attention here. Pay attention. Okay, pay attention. This is what's going to happen. Number one, I'm talking to someone who has gone to school. Okay, someone like, for example, kama umaliza form 4 and you're looking for an opportunity outside the country or inside Kenya, and you are looking, so there are platforms for you. And before that, I want to also to share about these opportunities online which you can work from home. Okay, you can make money from home through applications, through websites. You don't have to pay anything. Look here, I have 100 videos. These 100 videos, I've talked about opportunities which can help you to receive money. Now, why? They are simple tasks. Number one, take for example the one you just take photos using your phone. When unapiga tu picha, you only take a photo, pop, and then you upload, and then you'll be paid. There are others which you just have to know some language. Like for example, like you know 2 different languages or 4. You are talented with language. That is it. There are other people who know how to write. You just know how to write well. That is it. You don't have to do anything. Writing, maybe English. Wewe ni mzuri wa kupiga story. Okay? Maybe you are just good in designing. Na hata hujasomea hiyo kitu, you just have that skill or talent of doing this thing. There are these opportunities online, and check out all my videos. You can see them popping up here. Those are the links. You can click them, and don't forget to subscribe, because if you subscribe, I'll be happy. Some of these you see, we YouTubers, we are giving out for free, and what we need from you is only to click the subscribe button, and don't forget to like. You see, take for example, if I produce videos, I have a lot of videos, just go there and like all of them. Enda to my YouTube channel, utaona list mrefu, click pale videos. So click pale videos itakupatia. So kwa hizo videos zote weka tu like, utakomenisaidia. Like mimi vile nakusaidia saa hizi. Now I'm just sharing this for free. Okay? Now nilikuwa nimesema, I'm saying this. These videos that are produced are legit. They are true. You don't have to pay anything. These applications, they give you an opportunity to share your idea. Like for example, kuna site I shared, you can check the video there. I shared about how to test. Yani, we have developers, people who develop applications na websites, but they need people to test them. Take for example, you have produced, like take for example, let me say this gadget here. Okay, now this gadget, you and your producer wake, when you umetengeneza hii kitu, but you want someone to test for you. So we have people online who are using, who give people jobs, and then you download the application, and then you give an honest opinion. Okay, hiyo honest opinion yako ndiye anaenda kutumia kama wewe ni user. Yaani wewe unajifanya ni msee, unatumianga, so unaona ni kama hii kitu, how does it work, how does it go about it. So after you test it, and then you give, unapeana feedback, and then you'll be paid like $10, $15. It also depends. Okay, but atakwambia specific phone. So ukienda pale kwa hizo site utakuta umekupa instructions. So kufollow instructions ni muhimu, kwa sababu tunataka pesa. Of course you need money, so you follow instructions very, very carefully. Now another opportunity that I wanted to share before I complete this video is, guys, we YouTubers are looking for your support. We have nothing else in exchange with what we share out here. Okay, now the only thing is subscribing to a YouTube channel is free of charge. You don't have to, ati ni kitu ngumu, kakitu tu kako pale tu chini kakumeandika subscribe in red, kako red in red. So unakiliki tu hapo, and then utaona vitu 3 zina pop up. Kuna tu kengele, so you click kengele, or unaweza like tu video, kuna kitu kama hivi kaka thumb, so una click tu wako kanafanya hivi. So that is the only thing we need from you. And when you support a YouTuber, it's just out of it's just free. You don't have to struggle. Maybe to just tap, and then you're good to go. So each one of you, if right now I have 295 subscribers, but I'm looking forward to have 1,000 subscribers. There are many people who have already reached 1,000, and when I'm at around 1,000 and plus and 4,000 watch hours, the watch hours sina shida nazo, because most of my videos have kicked to over 1,000 video, over 300. So you see, views I have, but the subscription, I'm still low. Now we have a target of 500, I have 200. So I need you to share this video with your friends, share kwa group za Facebook, share kwa group za social media yote yenye uko nayo. There is a share button there, so ukakaaro namna hii, so you click there and then you share. Okay, now there's this opportunity I wanted to share with you guys before I complete. It's called YouPair. YouPair is a program online which is going to help you to work and stay with families abroad. It's a cultural exchange program, but you'll be paid. Okay, kama wewe ni mdem na unataka kusaidia mtu kule majuu, you stay with those families, unakaa na wao, and then you exchange their culture, nini, mnafurahia, mnakaa pamoja. It's called a UPair. I've put there on the screen. It's called UPair program. So nitapeana pia links kwa hii group, kwa hii description hapa chini utaona. So and it's on the screen. So UPair will help you to get a job outside, but first lazima ukue 18 years, above 18 years but below 30 years. Lazima ukue single. It's open kwa men na female, okay, but most utakutaniwa, you'll find that they are for ladies, most of them, because you'll find that in Germany, in Australia, in Europe, or in America, or let's say in France. So what they do, you only exchange with them experiences, life ya kawaida, how does it work, but you are still staying with them. So the host family would create an account. I'll show you UPair, and I'll show you the links where you can click and send your profile, and then you choose families. There are people who post there, they want someone like this, they want someone like that, and then you go there. Make sure you have your passport. Ukifika huko, you stay with the family, you take care of the kids, or maybe unawasaidia kazi za nyumba, you only help them jobs in the house. And then number 2, they will give you 5 hours of work with them, and then some 2 hours you can do your own job, but they pay very, very well. The contract is only 2 years, and these 2 years they can help you to make more money. It's some good money, okay, some good money. So utakuta you have gone out, but you also network. When you are there, you network, you do what. So this is an opportunity for you. It's called UPair. Check the link below. It's one of the best places for you to start looking for growth, okay? So see, house girl, UPair is not a house girl. If you're UPair, you're not a houseboy, but you are a visitor and a host. They host you, and then you help them with the chores in the house, preparing kids go to school, some meals or anything, and then you also learn. They also give you a program where you need to learn their languages, their culture, what they do, walk around, see so the host will be the one who will pay for you everything, okay? So that's the opportunity I wanted to say. And then where did this come from, guys? I have been advertising. You only check my YouTube channel. I've been advertising some few things, equipment za kutumia jikoni. So my YouTube channel has 3 playlists. There's one playlist for honest digits, there's also more shop, and then this one. So after cooking and showing out people my cooking skills, my cooking videos, and so forth, so right now I can say there are some people who came into my inbox and they wanted opportunity, they wanted some items, and nikatengeneza profit, okay? I made some profit for myself, and I'm thankful because this platform is now showing sense after 3 years, 3 good years of posting videos all the time. Nipigieni makofi. Just clap for me. Thank you. After watching this video, make sure you comment down there below what do you want to know more about UPair. I'll make another video about this.